Good morning, students. Welcome to Guru Baswa PU College, Chavdiyal. Myself, H. Hussainappa. My qualification MSc BA. Okay. Now I will explain some formulas, some basic formulas. Okay. Basic formulas. First, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a plus b plus c whole square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. So many formulas are there. First, you purchase the Maths NCERT textbook. You purchase the Maths NCERT textbook. Maths NCERT textbook. Okay. Okay. First, I will explain a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. First, I will take LHS. LHS means left hand side. Left hand side. RHS means right hand side. I will take LHS now. LHS first a plus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Square means 2. Here a plus b whole square written as a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b. Suppose 2 into 2, 2 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. 4 into 4, 4 square. Suppose a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square. These two products. Here first element total. First element total. A into a plus b. A into a plus b total. Plus b into a plus b. A into total a plus b plus as this b into total a plus b. Total a plus b. Product a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. Next a inside multiply. A inside multiply. A into a square. A into a square plus as this symbols. Next a into b ab. A into b ab plus b into a ba or ab. Both are same. Next plus as is b into b square. B into b square. Okay. Order wise write down a square plus b square plus ab plus ba. Here ba or ab both are same. Suppose 2 into 3 value 6. 3 into 2 also 6. Both are same, no? Value same. That's why AB plus AB. AB plus AB. AB plus AB 2AB. AB plus AB 2AB. Okay. Got it? A plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2AB. A square plus b square plus 2AB. Observe here AB plus AB 2AB. This is 1AB plus 1AB. 1AB plus 1AB 2AB. A square plus b square plus 2AB. This is a plus b whole square formula. Same a minus b whole square also same. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is also same product. First a minus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square equal to a minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a minus b. Same product as this product. That equal to a into total a minus b. A into a minus b. A into a minus b. Next minus b into a minus b. Minus b into a minus b. First a into a minus b into a minus b. Total product a into total multiply minus b into total multiply. That equal to a into a square, a into a square, plus into minus, minus a into b, ab, a into b, ab. Next minus over a into a square, a into b, ab. Minus as this, minus as this. Next minus b into a, ba, b into a, ba. Minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus. B into b, b square, b into b, b square. Okay. Next that equal to a square. Next plus b square minus ab minus ba. BA or AB both are same. Okay, minus AB minus BA, that equal to minus 2AB minus 2AB minus 1AB minus 1AB or BA both are same. Minus 1AB minus 1AB minus 1 addition minus 2 AB. Okay, A minus B whole square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Is first basics important. Basics, fundamentals. Okay, basics formulas will get easy. Mathematics easy. Okay, first A plus B whole square over A minus B whole square over. Next A square minus B square. A square minus B square. A square minus B square written as A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B, or A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. First symbols multiplications. Symbols multiplications. First plus into plus, plus 1. Symbols multiplication. Plus into plus, plus 1. Plus into plus, plus. Next minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Okay, plus into plus, plus. This is plus. Next plus into minus equal to minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Plus into minus, minus. Next minus into plus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Okay, 2 pluses, 2 minus. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Okay, next addition goes to that side. Addition goes to that side. Subtraction. Subtraction goes to that side. Addition. Division goes to that side. Multiplication. Multiplication goes to that side. Division. Okay, basics. Addition goes to that side. Subtraction. Subtraction goes to that side. Addition. Division goes to that side. Multiplication. Multiplication goes to that side. Division. Opposite. Okay, opposite. Next, Bodamas rule. Bodamas rule. Bodamas rule. First Bodamas rule. Suppose additions, multiplications, subtractions. 2 plus 5 minus 6 divided by 3 into 2. Okay. This is how to solve. Here 2 plus 5 minus 6 divided by 3 into 2. 3 into 2. First apply Bodamas rule. Bodamas rule. First Bodamas. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Bodamas. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Bottomless. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Apply this one. First bracket of remove. First division. Where is division? 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. 6 by 3. Division. 6 by 3. 2 plus 5. 6 by 3. Minus as is right. 6 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. 6 by 3 value 2. Division. No division. 6 by 3. 6 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 2. Next. This is over. Next into 2. Into 2. Here division complete. Division complete. Division after multiplication is there. Multiplication. Multiplication here. 2 2 ja 4. First 2 plus 5 minus 2 2 ja 4. Here multiplication over. Multiplication over. 2 2 ja 4. Next multiplication after addition. 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 Here 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 7. 7 minus 4. Addition over. Addition after subtraction is there. Subtraction means 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 3. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. Okay. According bottomless root. Suppose 2 plus 5 minus 6 divided by 3 into 2. Suppose different answers will come, but compulsory apply bottomless root. Next class tomorrow.